Hello, audience friends. This is the channel of Program Element Alpha. First of all, I'm very happy that everyone clicked on my video. My videos mainly introduce some practical mobile phones, app software, and website tools, and share it with everyone on this platform. Well, I have introduced a few before, using AI to generate shorts. Today I want to share another opening software. Just for the Chinese part, you can produce assertive tones. Okay. Then the name of his project is MoneyPrinterTurbo. Then it is also based on the project of MoneyPrinter, a Chinese way to make changes. Today, I will introduce how to install macOS and Windows. There are several things that must be installed on your computer before operation. First, there are two APIs you need to get. You need to register on an official website of Pixels. Then get a key of one of his APIs. Then there is a string of passwords. Write down the string of passwords. Next is an API of OpenAI. There are many teaching methods on the internet. How to apply for OpenAI API key. The main thing is to get this bunch of keys. Write down this bunch of keys too. Next, the editor I prefer to use is called VS Code. You can download it on both Apple computers and Windows. Next is Homebrew. You need to install it on your Apple computer. Windows cannot install this. Copied this string from the official website. Paste it here on your terminal and press enter. Next, here is the Miniconda official website. Depends on whether you have an M1 system or an Intel system. Select this PKG file. Let this Miniconda be installed on your computer. Okay, all the preparatory work has been done. Then we will start to operate a method on Apple computers. That's the way. Before using Apple computer, you need to do an installation first. This is brewing install. Just copy it and paste it on your terminal. Okay, press enter to install. Then, let's start operating step by step. Then my habit. I will first go to a path of our downloads. It is the path to download the project. Come in here and I'll copy this string of instructions. This series of instructions means to copy all the files of this project. Download it into your download project. After you press enter, all information on MoneyPrinterTurbo will be downloaded. Well, it's a way to enter this MoneyPrinterTurbo. Steady enters the path to MoneyPrinter Turbo. The next step is to copy this string, then paste and press enter. After creation, we can enter the environment we created. Paste this command and press enter. Then you will see that your terminal will. A frame of MoneyPrinter Turbo will appear in front of you. That means you enter this environment. Next, we need to install all the packages required by Python. Then we just execute the last command and press enter. Then, after installing these, we need to enter our VS Code. Open it and open the file manager. Then, open the folder. Then we go into the MoneyPrinterTurbo, where we downloaded the project. Then press open. We need to change a few things. Let's rename this first. We need to remove this example. Just leave the config. Tomula. Next is OpenAI's AP key. You need to fill in your API key here. Next is the Pixel API. To fill in this API, you need to put double quotes first. Then, fill in the API key. Then there is one you also need to change. Is the provider of subtitles. He has two ways. One is Edge's TTS and Whisper. I used Edge TTS for this project. I found that when it comes to subtitles, he always adds subtitles at the end. He won't be able to add subtitles. So my suggestion is to use Whisper. So change it here to Whisper. After filling everything out, then we just press Command S. Let's store it. Next time we have to change something. Schema in models in app. Click to take a picture of this place and click in. He only left options for simplified Chinese and English. If you want to use traditional Chinese, then you'll need to turn on the traditional Chinese option. Those who write HW here are in traditional Chinese. Then let's take down this warning signal. Keep these three. You can make this common. Just press common and then slash. And I don't want it in English either. I'll make it common. You change after you take action. Just press common S again to save. Next, execute it. Type this sequence of commands on macOS. Paste and press enter. Oh, it will automatically open your stuttery or your browser. There are currently two fonts available here. This is the theme of the video you want to make. Then you can also make normal wide videos. This is a Douyin video, an upright video. Okay, then come back to the action we just did. You can choose this sound. Okay, there are 3 voices in total. 2 girls and 1 boy. Your own choice. It provides some background sounds. It can be random, or you don't want background sound. Mark this place with your theme. For example, the benefits of running. Then click to start generating the video. Let it run. Let's let it run first. Then next we go into our Windows interface. We use Windows for operations. On Windows, you also need VS Code. Next, you need to install Miniconda on your computer. Click here for Windows 64-bit. And then install it. Let's open our terminal first. Then, in Windows, I am used to going to the D slot first. In Windows, you need to download this. Click here. We save to our download project. Then we go and install it. You don't need to change its path. After the installation is complete, we will follow the original steps. Okay, let's copy it and paste it. Let's download this project in our D slot. It's called MoneyPrinterTurbo. Then enter the Money Printer project as well. And we just installed this mini Conda. So we can use Conda's instructions to create a MoneyPrinterTurbo environment. I end, then I'm done. Then, our next step is to enter the MoneyPrinterTurbo environment. Just press enter and it will come in. The same thing is that we need to install all the packages required by Python. We copy it and paste it and press enter to let it install. During the installation process, we first go to our VS Code. MoneyPrinterTurbo opens the folder. You need to remove this config example. When entering, you need to fill in the Pixel API, then fill it in with the OpenA API, then replace Edge with Whisper. Next, you need to remove this warning number. After finishing this, remember to press Ctrl+S to save it. Then you also need the schema and the models of the app. It's the simplified Chinese part. Let's comment on it. Open traditional Chinese. We will also remove it from the English version. Ctrl+S save. Okay, so it's already installed. We can do the operation directly. The interface of Windows is to type this series of commands. Click /webui, that and press enter. Like our terminal here, it is downloading a model. First time using Whisper, it will require downloading the Whisper model, so you have to wait until it is installed. Its UI interface will open. Okay, let's take a look first. It's already complete. To find the file, that's where we go to our download project. Then we go to MoneyPrinterTurbo, storage tasks, then go into this folder, open final, MP4. Let's take a look at running, which is an excellent aerobic exercise to enhance cardiopulmonary function, improves physical endurance, and has a significant effect.
它能有效促进血液循环，加速新陈代谢，帮助减肥和维持体型。此外，跑步还能释放压力，改善心情，对抗抑郁情绪。定期跑步的人通常拥有更好的睡眠质量和更高的生。
Then we go into our Windows. Okay, then it has been downloaded. You can just put a theme you want here. Pick any topic. Sleep benefits. Then press start survival video. After completion, we will enter our MoneyPrinterTurbo. Then open this storage. Then go into tasks. Then go into this folder. Go to final. MP4. Then we open it.
睡眠不仅仅是休息，它是体力和心理恢复的关键。良好的睡眠可以增强免疫系统，预防疾病，并改善记忆力和学习能力。它对情绪稳定和减少压力也有显著效果。每晚保证充足的睡眠，对于维持健康的生活方式至关重要。
Today, I will share with you this MoneyPrinterTurbo. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Then there is a small bell next to it to open it. This way I will notify you as soon as I upload the video. Thank you again. Thank you all.